so I always have beef with Doug Ford.
I am snow's biggest hater. I have a very busy day. Ooh, that is so cold.
It's still fucking snowing. It's never been the same. You would think that my entire personality is like bow related. LOML? Really? Why is everyone getting Drake? If I got Drake, I would know that something is wrong. That is just my life.
Oh my god. Let's lock my doors. Hi guys, good morning. It is Vlogmas day 4. I want to say. Yes, it's December 4th. It's Vlogmas day 4. As you could see by the window, there is snow. And I am snow's biggest hater, which is so funny because I live in Canada, but I am snow's biggest hater. It's not that cold. Yesterday was freezing. Today's not that cold. Why do I feel like I left my gloves inside? I don't have time to go and get them. I'm in a rush. I have a very busy day. Let me turn on my car because it's freezing. I feel like because there is snow. Ooh, that is so cold. It's -1. Some music. I think we need to play some Christmas music only because it's snowing, but I am going to be starting with Taylor Swift. Obviously, we're gonna play Christmas Tree Farm. Duh.
Hi everyone. I'm literally exhausted. It's 4:45. I just got home from work. It's still fucking snowing. I'm exhausted. My last meeting didn't even show up. Rude. But also my back hurts ever since I did Pilates on Monday, I want to say. It's never been the same. My core hurts. My shoulders hurt. Literally my entire body hurts except for my legs. But tomorrow is leg day. So I just know my entire body's gonna hurt on Friday. I hope you guys had a good day. Snowing where you guys are. Some parts of Ontario have been getting snow for like weeks. I got this cutie little sweater from Aerie. And it has a cute little bow. I'm not like a huge bow girl. Like you would think that my entire personality is like bow related just because I'm such a girl. Like I never fell in love with like is it like coquette? Should I wrap Christmas presents today? I felt like I did nothing today except for go to work. I have to finish watching Unfiltered on YouTube. Also, while I was driving home, I realized that a new Kelsey podcast comes out tomorrow. So fucking excited. Oh, also, speaking of Spotify, I got my Spotify wrapped today. I have to just like kneel for a second because my back hurts. My top artist was obviously Taylor Swift. Who else would it be? Then it's John Vinyl, which I do love John Vinyl for when I listen to music at work. Then it's Sabrina Carpenter, Olivia Rodrigo, and I did think that One Direction would be one of my top artists, but it's number 5. Like how many times did I listen to One Direction? I swear I only listened to One Direction after I found out that Liam Payne died. I've seen a lot of people like their minutes listened. It's like 18,000. Tell me why mine is 35,000. 35,283 minutes. Am I okay? And to top it all off, my top 5 songs, all Taylor Swift, obviously. Number 1, I Can Do It With a Broken Heart. Number 2, But Daddy, I Love Him. Number 3, The Smallest Man Who Ever Lived. Number 4, So High School. And number 5, Loss of My Life. LOML. Love of My Life, Loss of My Life, whatever. I can't remember what it's called. LOML. Really? The Smallest Man Who Ever Lived? I get it. I did listen to that song a lot. I Can Do It With a Broken Heart shocks me. I don't know. Like, this whole Spotify Wrapped situation is just so... like, it doesn't make any sense. Why is everyone getting Drake? If I got Drake, I would know that something is wrong because I have not listened to that man since, like, 2020. I still have to edit yesterday's vlog, so I guess I should probably do that. It is currently 9:33. Welcome to my closet. We are gonna decide what to wear to work tomorrow. It's still currently snowing. That is unfortunate. We have to decide what to wear. My outfit's severely slacking lately. I like to be known in the office as the girly with the cute outfits. My jeans and hoodie are just not cutting it anymore. I feel like we need to spice up my outfit. My problem is that jeans go with everything and I need to find pants that'll work with winter boots now. What I used to wear are my leather pants from Abercrombie. I love these. I wore them so much last year because they're like work appropriate and stuff. According to TikTok, leather pants are out. I still love them. They are perfect for the winter and when it's snowing. TikTok also says that skinny jeans are back in and that is an immediate no, but I think I'm gonna do an all black outfit. I was going to do my black hoodie from Aritzia, but this is my new favorite sweater. It's from Gap. It's like the oversized boyfriend crew neck sweater. Let me show you the white one because I feel like the black you can't really see anything. So this is like the white cream one. Tell me this is not a vibe. So like the black version with the leather pants, my docs, and my coat. I don't really know what happened to this day. I think it was just because I went into the office, and for me, office days are really hard to film because I don't want to make anyone uncomfortable, obviously. And when I go in the office, I usually have a ton of meetings or I'm doing like busy admin work. Today was not that fun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Sorry it was a little chaotic, a little sporadic. That is just my life. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because I upload every single day up until Christmas. That is how Vlogmas works. And on that note, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!